everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and we are going to continue our tutorials about PHP from scratch. In the last example and the last tutorial we spoke about the if statement and if else if. Okay, so I just want to highlight that you can use else if as many times as you want. Okay, with the if block, I consider it like a block. It ends with if, and sorry, starts with if and ends with else. If can be only used one time, okay, and else only can be used one time, okay. But else if you can use it as many times as you want, okay, between the if and the else, okay. It's not actually block, it's just looks like block, okay. Today we are going to talk about something else. I'm going to consider the same example of this one, but I will show you another way of doing this. We are going to talk about the switch statement, okay. For those who do not who did not see the previous video, I said suppose that you are working for a company and your boss asked you to make a PHP program that will assign some promotion or Christmas gift for the employee based on his number of kids. If the employee has 0 kids, no kids at all, he will get $50, as you see here. If one kid only, will get $100. If 2 kids, will get $150. If more than that, okay, he will get $200. Okay, so I want to show you another way of doing this using the switch statement. Okay, so I will leave all of this here, and I will show you how to do that now. So let's get started, guys. To use the switch statement, I will delete this now. For now I will just leave the kids equal 1. Okay, switch statement is like that. I switch like that. Then after that it should have round brackets like that. Okay, inside this one is going to be the condition, but it's actually not going to be a condition like if it's going to be just value. Okay, no need to use equals or greater than or something like that. I'm just checking the value. Okay, so here I also must use the curly brackets like that. Okay, just to make it nicer, I can do like this and open the curly brackets like that. Okay, this is basically how I use switch. Okay, inside the switch I just inside the round brackets here I will just the value I want to check. Okay, I want to check the kids, so I use it like this, just copy and paste it. Okay, like this. I want to check the kids. As you can see, I did not use any semicolon here. Okay, now I want to check the value of the kids, and let me here in the curly brackets I will tell PHP what to do. Okay, so here I will choose the cases, so I will use the word case. Okay, case 0. Case 0 means what? You please Mr. PHP, check the value of the kids, and if in case if it's equals 0, do something. Okay, in case if it's equal 0, it will do something. So case 0 like that, and I use the colon. Okay, case 0 I will say something like that, echo you will get sorry, I have to use quotation. You will get, I said $50, I think, right? So $50. Okay, and I end this one with semicolon. Okay, I can write as many statements as I want. Okay, no curly brackets here, no curly brackets again, only one time curly brackets, this ones. Okay, this and this only. After that, no curly brackets anymore. Okay, and here I have to use the keyword break. Why break? I will explain this now in a second. Okay, this is the first thing I want to check. If it's 0, then please echo, you will get $50. Okay, and break means don't continue the statement. Okay, get me out of this switch statement. Get me out means go where? Go to here. Okay, go to the end of this curly bracket here. Okay, another check, I want to check again if it's not 0, maybe it's 1, case 1, the same also, case 1, like that. Don't forget the colon here, case 1. What to do? The same also as above, I can just copy them and paste them again. Okay, you will get, but this time it's going to be 100, right? The same also, the same method. Okay, case 2, like this. Okay, but this is going to be 150, and here going to be 2, case 2. Okay, and the last one, it's going to be the default, because the boss said if more than 2 kids, anyone more than 2 kids, whether 3 kids, 4 kids, 5 kids, it will he will take $200. So I use the word default, keyword default, like that. Okay, PHP, okay, sorry, I have a typo here. Okay, D4, PHP is trying to help me here, sorry, NetBeans. Okay, default, and also I use a semicolon here. As you can see, I did not place the semicolon, NetBeans did it for me. So case default means what? If the above is not true, if any of the above is not true, please echo something or do something. And because this is going to be the last thing, I don't need to use the break statement as the break statement here. Sorry, the break keyword. Okay, so I will echo here, you will get $200. Okay, let's run it and see. Now kids equals to 1. Okay, so I should get this one, I should get the $100, right? Let's run it. Again, sorry. Yeah, sometimes it needs some time to refresh. I did not do anything in the back since. Okay, let's try this one. 2 should be 150. Yes, correct. 1, or let's start with 0. Okay, $50. Okay, this is how to use the switch statement. Okay, I want also to follow how PHP will look at this statement. Okay, because this is very important for you as a programmer to know how PHP will handle this. Okay, the keyword switch will check for this value. Okay, just place this value or check it and place it in your memory. Okay, in the PHP memory. Okay, now the kids, because I said here kids equals 0, so it will select the case, which case is correct. Okay, once it finds any correct case, it will go to the end. For example, here kids 0, is it 0? Is the kids equal 0? Yes, so this statement is true, right? This statement become true. Once this become true, because of the break here, PHP will not also continue, will not go down. Break here tells PHP please go to the end of the statement. Okay, so go here. Okay, and this is why we use break here. Okay, I don't want PHP to keep checking. if I remove the word break, it will keep checking and it's going to be wrong. Okay, so use break because of what? I wanted to get me out of this of the switch statement. Okay, so where is the out of it? After the curly bracket. Okay, so PHP will go directly to here. So this, all of this here will not be read, will not be checked also. So in this way you are lucky and you are saving memory and saving some of your machine power, as I said before, because you save some steps. Okay, what if this condition is false? Okay, to make it false I have to place this one equals 1, and here yeah, this one switch also will check the kids here equals to 1. So this, is it 0? Case 0. So PHP will not read this. Sorry, I want to use marker, right marker, sorry for that. Okay, PHP will check this. Is it 0? No, so PHP will not read this. Okay, is it 1? Yes, it's 1. So PHP will read this and execute this command here, this one line statement. Okay, because of what? Because here it's true. Okay, then after it execute this statement, it will print, you will get $100. It will find what? The break will tell PHP, please exit this switch, exit this statement. To exit the statement, PHP will directly go to where? To the end, to just after the curly bracket here. Okay, then after that PHP will find what? Will find nothing but the closing tag PHP, closing PHP tag, and will stop executing the script. Okay, this is how to use switch. So now we have two ways, okay, of checking the value. Okay, either I use if or switch. With if I can use if and else if and else only without else if. Okay, with switch I use what? I use case and break, case and break. Okay, switch, case, break, if, else, if, and else. It's like that. Okay guys, hope that was helpful for you, and thank you very much for watching my video. See you soon.